Hello Highlanders, my name is Thessaly Smith. With Valentine's Day coming up, Crochet Club is going to teach you how to make crochet hearts for you and whoever you love. This is
Lindy Perry.
and we're going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make crochet hearts.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Take it apart, right? You want to grab a piece, wrap it around your hand like this.
Okay. Like, okay.
Got it? Then
Wait.
like want to flip it over, kind of like that way. Put it back in your hand. Then want to take your crochet hook, dig, like go on the first one. Then cross and go to inside the second one.
Okay.
Then you want to. I'm a bad teacher.
No, I just don't know how you can't wrap it around.
Triple crochet 3 times. Know what that is?
No.
Okay. You wrap the hook around the yarn 2 times.
Like this?
Wrap it around 2 times.
Oh.
Go inside the hole. No. Go inside the hole. This part.
Oh, okay.
Now go inside of it. Go out. Like pull it, get some yarn, then go out.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. Now you're about to wrap it around again.
Okay, so like do the trice.
Yeah. And then go through 2 of them.
Oh, the 2 like that is down here?
Yeah,
Okay.
2 of them.
Yeah. But don't trust, I got this. If I can actually do it, hold on.
Around 2 of them.
Okay, so like this. What is happening? Like actually.
Put that one out.
This should be it's just my other 2 right here?
These 2 right here.
Okay.
Okay, now wrap it around once again. 2 of them.
Okay, so like this? You good now? Did I do it right? Or did I? Okay.
Then wrap it around one time, then go through 2 of them again.
Oh, I messed up. I went through.
You got this.
Yeah.
I'm still a bad teacher. I don't know what to do.
Okay. This is good enough.
Yeah.
Why is my hole so big though?
You're gonna do one more. Oh, you can like later on. You can like shrink it.
Okay.
Triple crochet.
Okay, so like how do we do that?
Chain. I'm not chain. Run over twice. Go in.
Go in.
Go out.
Wait, go in. Go
Over 1. Yarn once. Go through 2. Oh, what part you on?
Okay, so we're here.
Yarn over twice. Go
Okay.
inside the circle.
This big circle? Okay. Right.
Then yarn over. You chain 3 yet?
Yeah. I think.
Oh. Do it again. No. Okay. You're gonna, you know what, slip stitch?
No, I don't know anything. I just know how to make a crochet chain.
Oh, okay. So you look at this, right? Let me like, inside this shit real quick. Then yarn 1 again. Then you can just, break it off.
Okay. It kind of looks like it.
It's like a flower, doesn't it? Yeah.
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 Can we see yours? Let's see yours. And
Turn
that's
around.
yeah. And this is how you make a. It was definitely harder than I thought it was gonna be. I feel like if I do a little bit more, it'll get easier. But I don't understand the different stitches and stuff